What if I told you that $100 could change your entire financial future? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. Hey there, Profit Pioneers. I'm about to reveal the 3 most powerful investing strategies for 2025 that nobody is talking about. If you're ready to transform your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join the Profit Psychology community. Here's the truth, you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing anymore. The game has completely changed in 2025. The first strategy is what I call the micro-investment method. You can start with just $1, and here's why that's powerful. When you start small, you're actually training your brain for bigger investment decisions later. This is the psychology of successful investing. The second strategy is the index fund approach, and it's perfect for beginners. Let me show you why most people get this completely wrong. Here's what the data shows: 90% of individual stock pickers fail to beat the market. But there's a simple solution. The third strategy is using AI-powered portfolios, and it's revolutionizing investing in 2025. This is the game changer most people are missing. Here's exactly what you need to do next. Download Acorns for micro-investing and Fidelity for your index funds. These 2 apps are all you need to start. Set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $1 per day. This is how you build lasting wealth. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for investing. This is the foundation of financial freedom. Now, let me warn you about the 3 biggest mistakes beginners make. The third one is crucial in today's market. The first mistake is trying to time the market. This is how most beginners lose their money. The second mistake is investing without a plan. You need a strategy before you put in a single dollar. The third mistake is falling for get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Here's your bonus psychological hack that most successful investors use: the 72-hour rule. Never make an investment decision without waiting 72 hours. This eliminates emotional buying and selling. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Profit Psychology for more investment strategies. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, we can build lasting wealth. See you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the psychology of profitable investing.